Oh hey, it's great to see you. Today we're going to be talking about the age-old question of when is trash trash? And I'm not talking about your Just kidding. So a little while back I found an old table on the side of the road being thrown out, and I thought I could fix it. Even though I did my best to shore up its base and clean up its top, key parts of it were just falling off and rotted. It wasn't nice to use, and I really needed something that felt stout and clean. So I started on the process of making an outdoor table out of cedar. My patio has a particular slope to it that makes a regular table a little awkward because it's always needing to be propped up on two legs. So this is a good scenario for a shop-made table. I started out with some 4x4s and some 2x4s to make the leg assembly. I'll twirl around some wood for fun. I'm lucky enough to have a Domino, and so provided you have some fixturing and have made your initial measurements correctly, the process of making a table base is not too difficult. I've made a few tabletops and benches using the Domino, but this is the widest one that I've made thus far. I'll start by making a lot of cuts for the Dominoes to establish a nice flat tabletop. And then get to the glue up. I'll router in a drip edge underneath the table to help keep it from rotting in the long run. In retrospect, I wish I would have cut the rounded edges off of these 2x4s, but it looks like a picnic table, so I'm happy with that. The legs are nice and stout. I put some corner braces in at each corner, cut a hole and routed it for my patio umbrella, and this table fits my space a lot better than the one from the trash did. Well, to the question of when is trash really trash, I'm not sure yet. I saved the wood from the old tabletop, and maybe I'll be able to make a mini table out of that wood that will make that trash find still valuable. So consider subscribing to tune in when I have that table done. Thanks for tuning in this time, and we'll see you on the next video.